In the golden age of American muscle, the Pontiac GTO was king. And today, when you're looking to grab a piece of Detroit's finest iron without closing your retirement, a solid GTO is one of the smartest purchases on the market. Originally sold through Butts Pontiac in Monterey, California, this awesome GTO has benefited from meticulous body-on restoration that's been conducted as needed. That care resulted in clean sheet metal, which is solid and well-aligned, and that sculpted canvas glows thanks to vivid red 2-stage. Open the doors and you'll find a correct black interior that serves as a nice contrast to the car's red paint. Bench and bucket seats balance tight vinyl hides between fade-free side panels and color-keyed door frames. Those hides look great behind a wood-trimmed dash, which founds rebuilt gauges next to factory audio. The console frames locking storage behind a short Hurst shifter, and the driver grips a satin spoke steering wheel with a Pontiac inlay. Under the hood, 400 cubic inches of correct Pontiac power hides a familiar casting number between a high-output WV assembly stamp and a November 1966 casting date. That V8 spins torque through a date-correct Muncie 4-speed, which twists a tough 10-bolt axle. "1967 was a high-water mark in terms of styling, performance, and exclusivity. With acute restoration and a correct drivetrain, nothing will interfere with this coupe being both a weapon on the street and a winner at the cruise-in. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.